Hello, I'm G0UDG and this is the promised unboxing of my Bengali Sculpture Special Edition Morse key. Hope you enjoy watching. I will also be including in the video the first QSO I have using the key. It's certainly well packaged, I can see that. Well done, Bruno. There's nothing lightweight about this packaging, that I can tell you. It's like trying to unwrap Fort Knox. In the box. Please bear with me, I do have disabilities. I presume this is the connection cable to my radio. I assume this is the connection key to my radio. Put the packaging box to one side. Oops, dropped a couple of things from the box. And of course a little cleaning cloth that comes with the key for cleaning off any blemishes on the key. Substantial weight in the key as well. I don't think it's going to slip across my shack desk. It's just over £4 in weight, so it's quite substantial there. I don't think I'll need anything to keep it in place on my desk. I very much doubt that. Very nice looking key as well, very nice, very sturdy, very well designed. I can't wait to use the key. Got a nice close-up of the key there. That's the underside of the key. And of course the paddles. And of course my call sign engraved onto the key as well. That concludes the unboxing. I'll now proceed to record my very first QSO using the Bengali Sculpture Special Edition. Thank you for watching this part of the video. Hope you enjoyed it.